At this time we have this video by Super46004. The video is called Giant Sneeze, and some of it is in I believe it's Russian. Then slash sneezing girl. Let's check this out. I'm still laughing about the previous sneezing video that I saw. Yo, she looks sick as f***. Yo, you caught a cold.
Спасибо.
Oh. Oh, going to town, kill me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Что?
Oh, going to town, kill me. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Yo, my ribs were hurting. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Yo, she looks sick as.
Будь здорова.
She looks really sick. I didn't know the video was gonna be this long. Oh.
Ой.
Oh, let me turn the air conditioner off. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Yo. That was hilarious as hell. Oh my god. I am just... Oh, wow. She seriously does look, really sick. She gonna get, managed to get another sneeze out on camera? Aw. That was it. There's no way that was it. Damn, man, that was... Oh my god, that was hilarious. Oh. Oh my god. I got I got no words right now. See you guys next time. Stay cool and be awesome.